Everyone, this is the problem I posted yesterday in our Facebook page. So this problem involves multiple of operations. We have addition, division, and multiplication. So there were three comments in the comment section, but fortunately, we have one correct answer there. So let us first discuss how are we going to do this. So take note that we have a rule to follow whenever we are going to simplify expressions with two or more operations. So we have to take note of the MDAS rule. So here, this one, MDAS, the M and D here comes together. Take note of that. And A and S also comes together. So the common conception misconception of MDAS rule is that you have to multiply, divide, add, and subtract. But no, that is not the right way of doing it. Take note, the rule says you have to multiply or divide, whichever comes first from left to right. So meaning to say, if division came first over multiplication, then you have to divide first. So if multiplication came first over division, then you have to multiply. Also, addition and subtraction comes together because you have to add or subtract whichever comes first from left to right. So add or subtract from left to right. So let's have that problem. So here, as you can see, we have three operations. We have addition, division, and multiplication. So as I said, M does, you have to multiply or divide first before you add or subtract. So multiply or divide. So for here, division came first. So you have to divide first. You have to divide first 48 by 8. So 48 divided by 8. So now 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. So 6. Then just copy the remaining part of the expression. So we have to copy 24 plus then this one times 3. Okay, so the two operations left now are multiplication and addition. So definitely you have to multiply first. Let's multiply 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Then copy, we have 24 plus 18. And that is equal to 42. So the correct answer for that problem is 42. So I saw an answer 26. So what happened to that? So those who got 26, that is because of this. Let me erase this. Okay. Some got 26 because they multiplied 8 and 3 and got 24, right? Then copy 20, op, then 24 plus 48 divided by 24, then divided 48 by 24 got 2, then added the 24, and then equal to 26. If that's your answer, so it's fine. That is, as I said, that is the most common misconception of the MRES rule. So next, again, the correct answer here is 42. Let's have another problem. Let's solve this. 12 times 5 minus 32 plus 15. So here, the operations involved are multiplication, subtraction, then addition. So definitely you have to multiply first. So 12 times 5 is equal to 60. Then copy the remaining part. So we have 32 minus 32, then plus 15. Now, the operations left are subtraction and addition. So, as I said, A and S also comes together because you have to add or subtract from left to right. So, whichever comes first. So, here, subtraction happened first. So, you have to subtract first. 60 minus 32 is 28. Then, plus 15 is equal to 42. 3. So the answer is 43. Okay. So next, let's have another problem here. There are three operations: division, subtraction, multiplication. So again, do not do M dash, do not consider M and D as separate letters. So multiplication or division from left to right. So whichever comes first. So here, you have to divide first before you multiply. So 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. Copy minus 3 times 2. Then multiply 3 by 2 is equal to 6. So copy 7 minus, so 7 minus 1 is equal to, 7 minus 6 is equal to, yeah. So the correct answer is 1. Okay, so now I am going to leave this problem to you. You will be the one to solve for this. Take note, we have 4 operations here: division, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So solve it and then leave your answer in our comment section. So for more contents like this, kindly follow my page, Great Learning Sphere. Thank you.